Stop scrolling. These 3 AI tools are helping complete beginners make money online, and most people still don't know about them. And no, you don't need coding skills, expensive software, or even experience. Tool number 3 is the easiest one, and it can literally run on autopilot. Let's start with tool number 1. First up is ChatGPT, but not the way most people use it. Most beginners simply ask random questions without any strategic direction. However, smart users are leveraging this powerful AI tool to create compelling YouTube scripts, engaging blog posts, and high-converting affiliate content that generates passive income. Here's the straightforward method that's proven effective. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to write a detailed script by providing specific prompts, such as make a comprehensive YouTube video about the top AI tools for beginners. Step 2. Transform that script into an actual video using completely free tools available online, like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Step 3. Add relevant affiliate links in the video description and throughout your content, enabling monetization opportunities. That's it. People are literally building successful faceless channels using just this method, generating consistent revenue streams without ever appearing on camera or investing significant capital. Now, tool number 2 is where things get truly interesting and transformative. It's called Pictory, an innovative platform that revolutionizes content creation. This sophisticated tool automatically turns written text into full, professional quality videos without requiring any technical expertise. You simply paste your prepared script, select visuals from their extensive library, and the system creates a complete, polished video ready for publishing. No camera equipment needed, no advanced editing skills required. This is precisely how many successful faceless YouTube channels are uploading engaging daily content and building substantial audiences. Pro tip: use short, punchy sentences in your script. This approach significantly improves overall video quality, enhances viewer engagement, and boosts audience retention rates. Additionally, consider varying your sentence structure slightly to maintain viewer interest throughout the video duration. Now, this is the one you've been waiting for. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. This powerful platform creates ultra-realistic voiceovers that sound remarkably natural and engaging. Not robotic, not boring or monotonous. You have extensive customization options available, allowing you to choose a US accent or other regional variations, adjust tone and emotional delivery, and make it sound like an actual real person speaking. And here's the real trick that amplifies your productivity. When you combine this sophisticated voice technology with the first 2 tools we discussed earlier,